So here we are at Central Square, which has to be the most exciting project for BBC Wales in decades. So let's go meet some of the people who made this amazing new place happen.
I'm Alex Millington. I graduated from the first intake of the Broadcast Engineering Apprenticeship in summer 2016, and I now work for Major Projects Infrastructure on the Cardiff Central Square project.
So Alex, what has been your greatest achievement working on this project?
I think the thing that I'm most happy with really on this particular project is having the responsibility to be able to manage a big part of the project and actually see it get delivered for real. Once you're walking around the building, you can see systems that I've played a part in helping to design, get requirements from users, managing the delivery, working with suppliers, all that kind of thing.
And what have been some of the biggest challenges you faced here?
There's tight timescales to get everything delivered in, there's different suppliers that you need to try and coordinate and all that kind of thing. So it can be a lot of work, but it's also really rewarding.
My name is Jonathan Chappell and I graduated from the Broadcast Engineering Apprenticeship Scheme in 2018.
So as a young person, what's it been like working on this project?
This project uses quite a lot of new IP technology, so it's been, as an engineer, a really cool thing to be able to experience sort of like the cutting edge of IP technology in broadcast. We are experimenting with using sending loads of signals from A to B, and that allows us to be so much more flexible and allows the news teams and the content creators to do so many more things.
So that sounds really exciting. So what opportunities has it given you?
So it's given a real good grounding in IP technology, which a lot of other companies are looking for at the moment. Not that I would leave the BBC, of course, but going forward as well, like future BBC projects, I'm sure will be heavily based upon this kind of technology.
I'm Laura. I'm a software engineer developing the broadcasting control system at Central Square.
Yes, so Laura, you've been working over a year on this project now, so what's the main things you've really got out of it?
I think the most exciting thing is that I don't come from a broadcasting background. I've mainly done sort of software engineering jobs, and now I've been presented this whole new industry and its complexities, and it's really exciting to be part of that.
And so what's some of the greatest challenges you faced working on this project?
Well, I think the first thing is understanding everything that makes broadcasting happen, all the routing that has to go around, and there's so much you don't realise when you're watching TV.
My name is Gerald. I graduated from the graduate training programme for broadcast engineers in 2015, and I currently work as a systems engineer for Major Projects Infrastructure.
So what's your biggest achievement been so far?
One of them would definitely be the satellite dining infrastructure that had to go on the roof last summer, which involved closing a road. So we only had 2 days to get everything up, make sure all the steelwork was correct and that we could fit the dishes on the roof without any major issues.
So how's that experience going to help your career?
Since we've announced we were doing it, I've spoken to various broadcasters about the experiences we've had. So CBC over in Canada, NEP Norway were here last week. It's all about sharing experience and collaborating across Europe and other parts of the world.
Hi, I'm Kerry McKeever. I'm Project Coordinator here on Central Square Project.
Yeah, so what's it been like working on this project?
The fact that you're here with so many people, the knowledge, the skills, getting to know people who are willing to help and share that information is invaluable.
How inspiring has it been working with the apprentices here?
They're starting off their career, so to actually be there and learn from each other, I'm learning as much as they are, and they're enthusiastic, so it works really well both ways.
That's great, and thanks for showing us around this amazing building. It's really been incredible, so thank you.